Welcome to State of the Laundry Industry with Laundry Matt, episode 21, all about the Clean Show and future trends. This episode is all about the Clean Show and the evolution of pickup and delivery over the course of 5 years. The Clean Show takes place this year in Atlanta from Saturday, July 30th to Tuesday, August 2nd. And can't wait to be there. In fact, we're having a big reception dinner for our clients. Over 100 of our clients are going to be there at the dinner reception. So looking forward to seeing everybody there. I'm very thankful to my brother Aaron for recognizing this trend of software, wash and fold, pickup and delivery before it even became a trend. So if you know our story, customers had to find their own clothes in the back room because we were doing so much business, and that was a result of a strong online presence. He knew if we wanted to continue growing and not lose customers, we needed a way of tracking all this and making it easy for customers to order online. It's similar to the famous quote by Wayne Gretzky about you need to skate to where the puck is going, not where the puck is. So as a result of creating software that handled pickup and delivery, one of the features is simply adding a button to your website that says schedule pickup, and it goes through an enterprise-grade customer experience. That allows the customer to schedule the pickup and delivery. And that, looking back, it's like, well, of course you need that. Well, at that time, most laundromats that did pickup and delivery, if they even did it, they said to do pickup and delivery, call this number or text this number or fill out this web form or fill out this contact form. Customers were typing in credit card numbers through an unsecure form, or sometimes people would just schedule the pickup and they got no confirmations. I mean, it was the wild west of pickup and delivery. Even launders or laundromats, they would launder the clothes and not even know if they're going to get paid. They drop off the clothes and hope the person's there, and they're like, how do you collect payment? So there are all these problems that people were having that you couldn't even imagine. Now, with the enterprise-grade solution, people are able to schedule pickup and deliveries online. As soon as we added a button on our website that says schedule pickup, and it went through an online ordering process through software, our pickup and delivery business went up by 30%. Okay, and we were already doing really well. So that simple thing was a big aha moment. It's all about the customer experience. And that's a big focus. Fast forward to 2022, development is focused on optimizing the customer experience. Because if you could increase online ordering by 30% just by adding a button, think about what else you could increase as far as getting new customers, retaining customers, getting customers to order again. So you're going to see more and more and more development based upon optimizing the customer experience. So we know firsthand how much this helps. As laundry owners, we know if we add certain features to our software, our laundromat is going to make more money, you're going to make more money. So we're all in it together. So we are just so impatient when it comes to development. So we've actually tripled our development team because we want these features done this year. I think when you look back at 2022, you're going to see some huge improvements on optimizing the customer experience. So the first time there's software companies doing pickup and delivery and selling to the public at a Clean Show was in 2017. We have 10 times the number of clients as we did just 3 years ago. One of my favorite parts about having a lot of clients is it allows us to reinvest in software development, and we need to always be the best. So in 2017, people were just learning about pickup and delivery and deciding if this is something they wanted to do, if they needed software to do it. I'd say about half the people who came to our booth just 5 years ago, half the laundry owners didn't even have a website. So we were helping educate people about the importance of having an online presence. At the time, a lot of people thought, well, our customers don't use the internet, or our customers don't find us online. And that turns out to be a total fallacy. I mean, it's true if you're not online. They're not finding you online if you're not online. But if you want more customers, you need to have a strong online presence. And now people just take that for granted. But 5 years ago, half the laundromats didn't even have websites. Fast forward to 2019, almost everybody had a website. So in just 2 years, things changed quickly. The Clean Show in 2019 took place in New Orleans, and that show was phenomenal. Our booth was packed for 3 straight days. Just wall-to-wall people. We're taking up the aisle space. There's a big shift in just 2 years from the last Clean Show to 2019, and that was people realized they needed software. You can't do pickup and delivery just by filling out an online web form or contact us form or text. Okay, people realized that the customer experience was paramount. if they wanted to do pickup and delivery, they needed software to really do it right, to make sure the customer experience was top notch. So we're super excited about 2022. We've tripled down on development. That way we have developers 100% focused on optimizing the customer experience. And this is going to help all of our clients be more successful. At the Clean Show in Las Vegas in 2017, I remember my dad was pumping me up before the doors opened. And he said, look around. See all these millions and millions of dollars of equipment and booths and all this thing from major manufacturers. There's nothing in this entire expo floor that could help make individual mom and pop laundromats make more money than what we've got in this 10 by 10 foot booth. And he's 100% right. For example, if you bought a new washing machine, how much more money is your laundromat going to make per month? Meanwhile, we have so many customers using our software who are making 5 figures in wash and fold per month. And you can look at their revenues and it goes up and up and up and up like a staircase. We're very proud of that, and our customer success is what motivates us. That's why we're here. So we knew, because we had the data and personal experience, that pickup and delivery was not just a fad, it was a growing trend, and it's just going to get bigger and bigger and bigger, and things are not going to go back to just doing the in-store wash and fold. Yes, you can make a lot of money doing that, but we also have a lot of our clients who are getting into pickup and delivery defensively, because they don't want to lose their in-store business to competing laundromats that are willing to pick it up. Just like pizza. If a pizza doesn't offer delivery, they may be leaving a lot of business on the table. So we've always been about where is the puck going, not where the puck is. And where the puck is going in 2022, when we look back, it's all about optimizing the customer experience. So we made a long ways from the days of when you called the laundromat or text to schedule a pickup. Now things are so much easier, but there's more work to be done on optimizing the customer experience and making it better and better and better. And that's why we've tripled down with our developers so we could focus on this, because when you look back, it's not going to be like, oh, do you have software? No, it's going to be, what is your customer experience? What does that look like? And that's what we're focused on, because if you take care of your customer, you're going to make a lot of money. So hope to see you at the Clean Show. It's going to be a great 2022. We hope you enjoyed the show. If you'd like to learn more about Curbside Laundries, go to curbsidelaundries.com, and don't forget to tap like or subscribe on YouTube or your favorite podcast player.